Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about dictionary. So dictionary is generally used key value concept, means it stores the data values in key value pair. Dictionary is a collection of which is ordered after 3.7. Before 3.7 it is not ordered, it is on order, changeable and do not allow duplicates. It's a changeable, not allow duplicates. After 3.7 it generally ordered. Okay, so how we can use dictionary, but how we can write dictionary object. Okay, suppose there is a d1, within curly bracket I will write a key value concept, just like id, then name, then role, id, name, then age. You write a role also, but I will take an age. Okay, so that's it. When it is going to print d1, it returns entire dictionary. Okay, it display dictionary. Okay, so another I will take another example, d2, like employee id, column, name, okay, then salary. Okay, okay, so here I going to print it. Okay, it returns everything. Suppose I want to print a single member. Okay, print d2 of member, like employee name. Okay, it shows you employee name. Likewise, print d2, then id. Okay, shows the id. Likewise, print d2 dot. Okay, if you want to add another dictionary, you can add it. Okay, add key, suppose key here, like age, colon. Okay, it is going to be add. So add here, you directly not declare here like this. You go through another d3, and now d2, d3 declare. Okay, so here dictionary object has no attribute add, so it's a wrongly showing me, that's why it is given. Okay, you remember these things. We upcoming time we also learn the different methods which are generally used in the dictionary. Okay, sorry for that. So next, we understood how we can extract the members, also how we can print the dictionary, how we can and declare the dictionary. Okay, how we are using to declare the dictionary. These are the points I am covered in this particular video. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there. Please like and share this video and click on the subscribe button, and when I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notification while you clicking bell button. Okay, thank you.